Welcome to the Massive Open Online course, Designing a Multidimensional Poverty Index. In this short video, I'll walk you through our course room and show you how to complete the weekly activities. When you enter the course room, you'll find yourself on this page. There are several resources here that could be useful to you. If you need technical assistance, you can contact the course team here. You can learn about the experts supporting the course by clicking the Meet the Experts tab here. You can access the course FAQs here. And here you can find information about the course completion requirements. There are 5 required components of the course. We ask you to complete the 5 online lessons, pass 5 weekly quizzes, listen to all course lectures, pass the final test, and complete the course survey. Once you complete these course requirements, you will be able to download the certificate of course completion directly from this course room. Now let's walk through the material that you will encounter during each week of the course. I'll click on week 1 to show you the typical weekly activities. Tabs for each of the weeks will contain the following components: the lesson, the weekly lectures, the case studies, the discussion forum, and the quiz. Now, how do these components work together? The lessons provide a theoretical background for the topic discussed each week. The lessons are mandatory, so when you have finished reviewing them, please remember to click the Mark Complete button here so that we have a record of your lesson completion. The weekly lectures feature course experts and will let you take a deeper dive into the weekly topics. Case studies provide an opportunity to see the process of designing a national multidimensional poverty index in a particular context. The quizzes, which you can retake as many times as you need, test your comprehension of each topic. Finally, throughout the course, we encourage you to be active on the discussion forums. Our e-learning platform offers an opportunity to all course participants to easily interact with each other, send messages to the community members, and have a lively discussion. We hope you will take advantage of this interactive environment of learning for nature, and we look forward to all the discussions with you. Weeks 1 to 4 will follow the same format. Week 5 will contain 2 additional components: the final quiz that will test your comprehension of the entire course, and a brief survey about your learning experience. Now you might wonder, how do I know if I'm on track with all the course activities? At any point in the course, you will be able to easily track your progress. If you've completed all the available activities, your progress bar on the course homepage will contain a green button saying All Available Activities Completed. It will be situated right here. And that's it. Simple, right? Before we wrap up this video, I'd like to leave you with 2 important reminders. Each Monday throughout this 5-week course, starting on March 16th, you will receive an email from the course team outlining the content of the week. If you're not sure about the course requirements, we invite you to explore the syllabus on the course homepage. If you still have questions, we invite you to check out the frequently asked questions here or contact the course team here. Once again, we're excited to welcome you to the course. We look forward to your participation.